Lane Tik University. Do your absolute best to learn everything you can about taxes. Well, I'll say first thing, go to the irs.gov. You can learn a lot there. If you're not the type who likes to read or spend a lot of time, that's fine. What you need to do is this: any expense you have, I don't care what it is. If it's washing your car, if it's getting it vacuumed, if it's putting gas in it, if it's whatever you spend on your car, your tags, start making the first thing you need to do for your taxes 101. Write your expense list down. Everything, I don't care, every last penny. Look at your transactions on your credit card. And what you do, you get that to your tax person, your CPA, your rep, whoever's working on your taxes. If you're working on your taxes, then you should know what to do with this. Start making a habit of writing out all your expenses. Tax Secret 101 is so basic. You just write down your expenses. So for people that just started their business, don't know this, or even if you're a veteran, always write down your expenses and use that and do your best to report that so you get deductions or reductions, etc. But share this with your CPA or tax person, or if you're a tax inclined, use this information. And most importantly, once you become more savvy, start go visiting the IRS and look at the IRS codes and see what you can get for car people that rent cars out, or even Uber drivers, Lyft drivers. A lot of the time, you get some of the same benefits. You can earn a lot of money back and get a lot of deductions just by understanding your expenses. Taxes, expenses. Remember that. Carlin out.